Hello guys and welcome back to the video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install the CrDroid ROM for OnePlus 70 device, and which is based on Android 12, and mostly all of the ROM providers are currently rolling up to Android 12, and it's really exciting to see that. So this is the first time I'm installing the CrDroid ROM on my OnePlus 70, and this is the first CrDroid video on this channel, so I am hoping for a very good response because I recently got a really good comments for the same ROM on my comment section like previous videos. So maybe that's the reason I'm making this video, and many of you anticipated that I should definitely try out this ROM. So maybe after this video, if I got a good response, I will make a review video on it as well for a separate thing, so how the ROM works and if there is any bug or something like that. So without wasting further time, let's head straight to the video. So before that, if you break your device in some way, which is possible because if you're new to ROM installing, there might be a chance that you might break your device in some way or you miss any step or something like that. So first of all, make sure to watch the video till the very end and not miss any step, as every step is crucial, and if you miss just even a single step, it might cause a problem, but it's okay. Still, if you are doing this or you break your device in any way, maybe it's hard break or soft break, there is a separate playlist on top right corner of the screen. Go there and break your device and continue with this video. It's your choice. Otherwise, if you want to stick with the stock OS, it's your choice as well. So after installing this ROM, all your data will get erased. So firstly, I will highly suggest you to go and take a backup of your device if there is some important data, as many of you think that your data will be saved, but it's not the case. Like by the time you will just install this ROM, all the data will be wiped and your phone will be as like completely new. So without wasting further time, let's head straight to the videos. So my name is Rohit and I was watching SnebTech, so let's get started. So the only thing required to install this ROM will be an unlocked bootloader. So if you don't know how to do that, there will be a link on top right corner. You can just go there, unlock your bootloader, and continue with this video to install the CrDroid ROM based on Android 12 on your OnePlus 70. So once you have unlocked your bootloader, just download all the files from the description below and keep it in a separate folder so that it will be easier for you to navigate and follow the process step by step. So you will end up with these three files: CrDroid Android, platform tools, and the recovery file. So once this is done, just boot your device in fast boot mode and then connect it to your PC. So as you can see, now I'm on my OnePlus 70 device, which is running on Oxygen OS, which is based on Android 11. So if you are on Oxygen OS or any other ROM, just go to your settings first and go to your about phone, and then click on build ROM until you become a developer, and just input your password, then go back. Then you will see a developer option on your system, and if you scroll down, you can see this developer option. Just click on that and then go down and just click on this USB debugging and turn it on, and make sure to do this step, it is very important before installing this ROM. So once you do that, you just need to turn off your device. So I'll just turn off my device right now. So after turning off your device, you need to boot your device into fast boot mode. So to do that, just hold volume up, volume down, and power button all at once it's powered off. And when you do that, you will hear one vibration. Just leave it and you can see fast boot mode. And right now you can see the device state is unlocked. That means my bootloader has been unlocked. So I said previously that you need an unlocked bootloader. So if you have done that and it has been successful, so even it will be written unlock on your device, and if it's written locked, make sure to check again whether you have properly unlocked your bootloader or not, as it might create problem with your device later on. So once you see unlocked, just connect your device to your PC on this step, and once you connect your device to your PC, just keep your device aside and head back to your PC. So once you have connected your device in fast boot mode to your PC, just open the folder where you have kept all the CrDroid files which is needed to install this ROM on your device. And as you can see here, I'm on CrDroid folder where I kept all my files so that it will be easier for me to navigate during this whole process. So after that, I'll just click on the search icon on this folder and type in CMD and press enter, and then type in fast boot devices and press enter. And if you can see a strings of number along with fast boot written beside it, that means your PC has detected your device in fast boot mode, and if you can it can't see anything and it's just blank, it returns blank, that means your PC has not detected your device in fast boot mode. And if that's the case, there will be a link for the fast boot drivers which might be missing from your computer or which might be wrong. So you can go there and download the fast boot drivers for your OnePlus 70, and after that continue with this process. And when you will write afterwards, like after restarting your PC and installing that drivers, fast boot devices, you will surely see some different strings on but not the same dual is my device. It's showing this number along with fast boot written besides it, and after that you can continue with the further steps. So once it's done, so you can continue in this CMD window itself. So then you have to type in fastboot flash recovery _A space name of this recovery, which is named recovery. It might be something else most of the time, like it can be something else such as CrDroid recovery or something like that. So make sure to write the exact name which is written on this recovery, and if the image file, so we'll write .img at the end. So it's just named recovery for now, so we'll just type in recovery .img and press enter. And as you can see, our recovery _A has been installed. Now we need to do the same thing for the recovery _B. So let's continue the process. Fastboot flash recovery _B recovery .img. So as you can see, our recovery A and recovery B has installed this custom recovery for CrDroid. So after this, you need to move back to your device again. So after installing the recovery, you can disconnect your device from your PC if you want, but you need to connect that later, so it's up to you. So I'll just disconnect it for now so that it will be easier for me to navigate. And once you do that, just press the volume down button until you see this recovery mode, and after that just press this power key once. And once you do that, you will be booted into this kind of recovery. Just use volume down and volume up key and power key to navigate, or else you can just use the touchscreen. So I'll use touchscreen over here. Just click on factory reset and just click on factory data format reset. Just click on format data, and once you do that, just go back and just click on apply update and click on apply update from ADB. And at this moment, just connect your device to your PC once again. And once you do that, you will need to move back to your PC once again. So once you are booted into your recovery and just put your device in ADB sideload mode, you need to just close this CMD window which we previously installed recovery with. And now you need to just extract this platform tools file, so you can just extract it using the existing extract all from Windows itself, or else you can use the 7-zip and download it from somewhere else. And if you want to use some other unzip software, you can do that. So I will show the existing extract all feature of Windows itself, because it is available for almost everyone. So click on extract all and it will be already redirected towards a specified folder, because we kept this file on this folder, and you can keep it anywhere if you want, but I will highly suggest to keep it somewhere you have all your files, downloaded files. And just click on extract and wait for some time for it to get extracted completely. So once it's extracted, you can close this automatic pop-up, and as you can see, our folder has been extracted over here. So after that, just copy or cut this CrDroid folder, the ROM folder. I will just use cut, but for safer side you can use copy, so that if file gets corrupted, you don't need to download it again. Just go to your platform tools and just enter platform tools and paste that file over here. And once you paste your file over here, you will need to just click on this search icon again and type in CMD for one last time. And once you see this CMD window pop up, just write in ADB devices. And as you can see, our device has been detected in sideload mode, and it's just because we have just pasted this our CrDroid ROM folder in this folder, and if you don't want any error or any problem, so make sure to follow this step and don't skip this. Just copy your ROM folder into platform tools folder, as it happened with me many of times that I tried to install some ROM, and due to absence of this folder or not putting my ROM on this folder, I was not able to go through properly. So once your device has been detected in sideload mode, you need to type in adb sideload and just copy the name of this entire folder. So just right click, rename, right click, copy, or you can just use shortcuts. I'm doing this just because you guys understand more properly. Then again open the CMD window and paste it using Ctrl V, or just right click on your mouse and it will be pasted by itself. And once you do that, you need to type .zip at the end because it's a zip software, as you can see, compressed zip file. And after that, just press enter and wait for some time, and you can see on the right bottom of my screen my device. As you can see now, our ROM has been installed on our device. So at this moment, I will move back to my device for one last time, and you can just disconnect your phone from your PC. So because the installation process has been done, and if you want, you can even shut down your PC, as we don't need it any further. So let's move back to our device and see our freshly installed ROM and what to do next. And it's not done yet, so of course don't skip the video. There is just one step remaining. So let's move back to our device. So once the installation part is done, you can disconnect your device once and for all now. And once it's disconnected, just click on back, and then again click on back, and as you can see here, then again you need to factory reset everything before rebooting to system. First click on factory reset, then click on factory data for factory reset, then click on factory format data, and once it's done, then go back and just click on reboot system now. And as this is the first boot into our CrDroid ROM, it may take some time for your phone to boot in, so you need to just relax. And as you can see, the boot animation for our CrDroid ROM. And as you can see, our phone is ready to use. So I'll set up everything first to just show you that we are currently running on CrDroid ROM based on Android 12. So everything has been set up, and now you can see that we are on our home screen. Let's go to our settings and go to the bottom and click on about phone. And as you can see, we still got build number over here, like we have become a developer, and you can see the CrDroid version 8.1 and Android version 12. So this is how you can install the CrDroid ROM on your OnePlus 70 device. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press that like button, and really let's take a aim. If like we got around 1500 subscribers, so let's aim for 100 likes. And if you're new to my channel, if you are interested in tech related videos, specifically if you're using OnePlus 70 and want to see more of these videos and see more other tech related videos, not just related to OnePlus, so even then subscribe, because I'm coming up with more awesome videos, like more awesome video ideas. Like I really have a list which I can't present of course right now, but there are many videos not just for OnePlus 70s and or OnePlus in general, like other Android device, iOS device, and much more related to tech content. So if you're new to my channel, if you are watching me for the first time, a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And even before making a review video, if you want to go back to your stock OS, you can just click on the video on right. Or if you want to install a Gcam, there'll be a link on left, just click on that. So until then, I'll meet you in the next one. SnebTech signing out.